My name is Alex and this is my colleague Molly, the Senior Structural Engineer at ANZ Engineers. Today we'll be discussing a renovation project. Molly, the customer's name is Matt from Yallambie. So what he's looking at doing is doing a bit of renovation at his property. The walls that he wants to remove are the walls between the kitchen, dining and lounge. So it's these two walls here that he wants to remove. So what we're going to do is do a site inspection and determine if the walls are load bearing or not.
Yeah. Is it a single story or a double story?
It's a single story.
Alright.
Yeah, easy.
Easy.
Done. Let's do it.
Let's do it. At the property, I can see they removed this concrete tar and looks like the external wall is brick veneer. And the house is sitting on stumps. But let's have a look inside and see what's landing on the wall between the kitchen and the lounge room. Alright, so this is the wall that they are planning to remove all the way up to here. So now we just have to have a look in the roof and see what's landing on the wall. Alright, now we're in the roof. As you can see, it's an old roof system. We've got the rafters running towards the external walls. Then we've got the collar ties connecting the rafters to each other. Then you can see the props here and there. So the props are actually transferring the load of concrete tiles to the wall below, which means the wall below is a load-bearing wall. Now let's have a look at the wall that the client is planning to remove, which is that one there. Now we've got two props landing on the wall, and the other thing is we've got a unit here, and we have to consider the weight of this unit in our design as well. Alright, let's go through the view layout together. Alright, now the plan is to run a beam this way. So we're going to have a post there, then another post in the external wall, and then we'll have the beam running that way, and the post there, and then we'll have a beam to beam connection. Easy.
So another post right there.
So we're going to have a post here,
Going all the way across to there.
post here, yep,
Yeah, and then
beam
beam from there
connected to that.
connected to that. Yeah.